Hey, you, watching this video right now, have you ever thought, am I living in the moment or are all the moments just hanging out somewhere? What if you're being born, missing your bus, and binge watching this video all at the same time? Weird, right? Well, buckle up because we're about to make time feel less like a clock and more like a sci-fi plot twist. Let's start with the basics. Imagine the universe as a really enthusiastic kid who loves to draw. Every picture they draw is a single moment in time. One picture shows you drinking coffee, another shows dinosaurs doing dinosaur things, and another one shows your descendants living on Mars. One moment, one drawing. Now our little universe kid replaces each drawing with a new one. Bam! You've got a movie, kind of like Toy Story, except time doesn't rewind when someone yells, "Andy's coming." This is how most of us imagine time. The past is gone, the future's a mystery, and only the present exists. Simple, right? But wait, what if the universe kid isn't just drawing one picture at a time? What if they've already finished the whole stack? Every single moment, from your first birthday to humanity building robot butlers, is already drawn and piled up in a big cosmic art project. This idea is called the block universe, and it's like a giant loaf of bread, with each slice representing a moment in time. In this loaf, the past, present, and future all exist together. Right now, somewhere in the loaf, dinosaurs are chilling, you're watching this video, and aliens are debating if pineapple belongs on pizza. Spoiler, it does. But wait, you shout, that can't be right. The past is gone, the future isn't here yet, and my pizza delivery guy is late. Here's where Einstein's theory of relativity shows up to ruin the party. Relativity says time and space are linked, like peanut butter and jelly, or your internet and buffering. Depending on how fast you're moving, your now might not be the same as someone else's. Imagine this, 3 alien spaceships. One is parked in space, just chilling. Its now matches your now. If you had a magical lag-free internet, you could FaceTime them and chat about alien memes. The second spaceship is zooming away. Its now lines up with your great-grandparents' time when they were still figuring out how to use telephones. And the third spaceship, it's heading toward you. Its now is your great-grandkids' future, where everyone has hoverboards. Mind blown yet? So, whose now is correct? Einstein says, all of them. Cosmic democracy. Everyone's perspective is equally valid, even if one alien's present includes bell-bottoms and another's involves robot DJs. This means your past, present, and future are all happening right now to someone. Who knew time was this weird? But if all times exist together, is the future already written? Are you destined to miss the bus no matter what? That sounds bleak. Like, why even bother trying to catch it? Here's where quantum mechanics comes in to shake things up. Unlike your predictable bus schedule, just kidding, quantum particles are inherent. For example, a radioactive atom could decay now, causing a butterfly effect that leads to a species of duck bears. Or it could decay tomorrow, and duck bears never happen. If quantum randomness is real, then the future isn't set in stone. It's more like a choose-your-own-adventure book, with some pages missing. But then there's the question, when does randomness become real? Is that the present? The concept of now gets messy again. For you, now is this moment. You're somewhere between your birth and the inevitable moment you yell at your smart fridge for ordering 50 bananas. But for an alien zipping across the galaxy, your now might just be an old rerun. So, what's the deal with time? Is it a static block where nothing ever changes? Or is it a dynamic, growing loaf where new moments are constantly baked? Maybe the universe is like sourdough, always fermenting, always evolving. And somewhere there's a cosmic baker saying, just one more rise. In this growing block universe, every moment is real, but the future isn't fixed. It's more like a construction site, messy, uncertain, and full of potential. Time moves forward as new moments are built. So yes, you can decide to stop watching this video and catch your bus, but you won't, will you? To recap, time could be a movie where moments replace each other, a frozen loaf where everything already exists, or a growing block where the future is open. Which one is true? Nobody knows. Some scientists even argue that time isn't real at all. Yep, time might just be a human invention, like Mondays or low-fat ice cream. But here's the thing, whether time is real or an illusion, we experience it. Right now, you're here, thinking about duck bears and missed buses. And isn't that what matters? If time is just a weird cosmic prank, at least we're in on the joke. So next time you're stressed about being late, just remember, somewhere in the universe, there's an alien who thinks it's 1924 and another one who's already living in 2124. Time is relative, and you're doing fine. Speaking of time, yours is precious. So, why not spend it learning something new? Dynamics Professor YouTube channel is perfect for diving into the mysteries of time, probability, physics, and more. Think of it as leveling up your brain, no time travel required. So, what do you think? Is time real? Are we in a cosmic loaf, a movie, or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments.